I am Rahul Shinde. I have registered for PhD in Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar Marathwada University, Aurangabad, under the guidance of Dr. A.M. Zine. I have completed my MSc in 2009. So, since 2009, I have been working with the pharmaceutical industry in research and development departments. My research topic is to development and biological activity of some new heterocyclic compounds. In this presentation, we are going to discuss the need and significance of our research topics, need and significance of our research objectives, working principles, and outcome of our research. So first, we are going to discuss with need and significance. The development in the chemotherapy of synthetic drug that totally depends upon the biological result of chemotherapeutic agents. If we considering the literature survey, in literature survey, we have observed that the two fused heterocyclic compound shows the more biological activity than the parent nucleus. And if you see in the market, most of the drug containing the heterocyclic compounds, and most of the heterocyclic compound is like a thiazole, benzimidazole, imidazole, and thiazolidinones. And if you see the heterocyclic compounds such as thiazole, imidazole, benzimidazole, and thiazolidinones, containing compounds exhibits a wide spectrum of the biological activity, such as anti-cancer, antiviral, antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, antifungals, and anti-convulsant activities. And the main objective of our research is to synthesize the new series of the thiazole and its derivatives, to synthesize the new series of imidazole and its derivatives, to synthesize the new series of benzimidazole and its derivatives, to synthesize the new series of thiazolidone and its derivatives, and also characterized whatever derivatives we have been prepared by the modern spectral techniques, and also check their biological activity to know their therapeutic categories. Our working principle is to develop the new method for the synthesis of the derivatives of the heterocyclic compound, different heterocyclic compounds, or to optimize the developed method for the synthesis of these derivatives of the heterocyclic compounds, and also prepare the targeted molecules by using the different reagents such as aldehyde, amines, hydrazines, and or substituted aldehydes or ketones through a series of reactions. So here we are going to synthesize the new series of the molecules by using the different derivatives till date which I have not prepared, or also optimize the method or optimize the methods, and also develop the new method for the synthesis of the heterocyclic compounds, and also check their biological activity to know their therapeutic categories. So what will be the outcome of our research? Our outcome is to synthesize the new series of thiazoles, thiazolidinones, benzimidazole, imidazole derivatives, and screening of biological activity of these synthesized compounds. So here we have already discussed the need and significance, working principles, objectives, and outcome of research. So we have finished. Thank you.